Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share this tassel necklace and just a tassel that I made. So this is skull head. I used a 3-inch eye pen, some rhinestone spacer beads, and this is a bead cap. And then I added, oops, where's the arms? I added some little arms. So I used chain, and then like, so it would stand out a little bit, I used the little blue rondelles. And I made these with eye pens. And then I just put them together. So I did the same here. The arms are just a little shorter. And then I just put it on a silver necklace. And this is from, this thing here is from Hobby Lobby. So I just wanted to share. I've been making jewelry. And thanks for watching. Bye.